Hello, in today's tutorial we're going to learn the beautiful blending of Phthalo blue and white. I'm sorry if my pronunciation is wrong. So I'm going to use these colors from Vincent & Newton, and this is, I think, their student range. So we are going to try this on paper. This paper is very good for doing acrylic blending and any acrylic things that you want to do. So these sheets are anything above 440 GSM and they're absolutely perfect for painting. Currently I'm using one which is A6 in size, and once I put the masking tape down, I will take the video back to the regular speed so you can see how my hand motion goes when it's holding the brush. So I'm starting off with taking the blue and I will add a nice squeeze of it towards the top part of the paper, and then I will take the white and then add it towards the bottom. So I'm going to be using a flat brush to do the blending because I find this to be extremely easy as a brush to blend acrylics, and the bigger the size, the better it is to do a blend, especially if it's a larger area that you have to cover. So just wet your brush, remove the excess water. We don't want too much water in the brush. And then I'm going to take the color and just move it in one direction. That is, I'm going to do horizontal movement from left to right. So you can see how I'm holding the brush. It is almost at a vertical angle, and it's almost, I think, at a perpendicular to the paper, and the blend is moving left to right. So I've taken a little bit of white and I'm going to blend it till the top because I feel like the blue is not very opaque. I would prefer acrylics to be completely opaque, so that's how the property is. But because these are student range, it could be not that good in terms of the medium. So if you don't have the same blue, don't worry about it. Just pick any two colors in acrylics and do the exact same technique, and you will notice a wonderful blend that's happening. I love the effect that's come right now. It's gone from a really nice dark blue to a mid-tone, and then to a medium, and then almost to a whitish blue blend at the bottom. So once this completely dries off, you can remove the masking tape and you can see the final effect of how it looks. This kind of blending is very important in acrylics. If you want to do like a smooth mix, you can also see that there are a lot of brush strokes which are seen over here. So that's part of the beauty in acrylics. You can create a lot of different techniques. You can use a brush, you can use a palette knife, you can use a lot of different kinds of things that you want with it. I hope today's video was helpful for you. I will see you soon for the next one. Bye bye.